What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage here. Came up to visit the fam this weekend, do some yard work for my wife, and check on sister's 2017 Nissan Rogue, my daughter's car. She had another mishap with it. Backed over a garage, a mailbox, and some large fence posts backing out of her boyfriend's farm. And she has just demolished the driver's side rear quarter panel. I mean, it is just a damn mess. And as a matter of fact, I can see where she's been opening car doors on the freaking saab. Look at all those dang dings and white marks. This poor car. This poor car deserves better. And I'm taking it home with me because I've got, when I go back tomorrow towards Atlanta, I'm going to take it home with because it's got a leaking valve cover gasket and it's to the point that it is smoking. So I need to do something about that. So we're going to trade out. She's going to get the Toyota Sienna, the wife, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to redo the headlights. They need doing. I'm going to try my hand at polishing with the buffer and try and put a valve cover gasket on it. So anyway, for all my saab people, this little car's just been a champ. Just a champ. We've had it over a year now. I think July was a year, July or August, and it has given us just no problems. I had to change the spark plugs and I put one coil on it, and it has just been a perfect little car. Who knew it would be so stinking reliable, you know? These are just so underrated. Man, I am mad about all those door dings. Anyway, let's get here and start her up, do a mileage check, and we'll take her down the road real quick. Alright, we're sitting on 155,304. Go down here to our wacky ass key. What a good running 4-cylinder van. 2.0 turbo. Runs so smooth. I mean, I've got some bad sensors for the tires because the tires are at proper pressure, but hey, that's common on all these old cars these days, isn't it? I mean, what else would you expect? Because I have put air in them, I've let air out of them, I've done everything, but the two front ones, the sensors just must be shot. No good. That turbo spool. She's got that nice little spool. Sounds so good. I'm gonna come up here and get us a 0 to 60 in just a second. brakes. Cheep, 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 cheep. Never know when I'm in sport mode. Huh. We'll just nail it. Well, that ought to wrap it up. She's running good, man. Running good. I don't smell any burning oil, but my wife swears it's doing it when she gets off the interstate in the afternoons. So maybe it's, get it up to higher speed kind of problem. But I don't smell anything. Just putting around town here, if you call that putting. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. Valve cover? Is that what I should start with first? Valve cover gasket? That sounds like the one that makes the most sense to me. It leaks just a teeny tiny little drop of oil on the ground. Hey, there's my old Volvo wagon. If you've ever seen that video. The cross country. That's the people I sold it to. Anyway, yeah, like, share, subscribe. We'll see y'all with the next one. Have a good weekend. Peace.